Imagine it's Friday. You just got paid and for a second you feel rich. You treat yourself to a $14 bowl, a Target run, and those sneakers in your cart. By next Thursday, you're staring at a $42 balance, wondering where it went. You didn't buy a Rolex, you just lived. That's the cycle most people are stuck in. My name is Mark, and I spend way too much time thinking about the psychology of spending. If you're working harder than ever, but your net worth isn't moving, hit subscribe and let's fix it. Here's the thing, we've been lied to. Poverty isn't just a lack of income. It's a set of habits. I've seen people making $250,000 who are functionally broke. Here are the 15 habits keeping you there. 1. The small purchase paradox. It's not the house. It's the $7 apps and $5 coffees. $15 a day is $450 a month. Over 30 years in an index fund, that's $600,000. You aren't buying a coffee. You're burning a $600,000 retirement. 2. Convenience as a reward. DoorDash and Uber Eats have a 40% markup. You're trading your future freedom for 20 minutes of not washing a dish. 3. Pay later services. Affirm and Klarna are just payday loans with better branding. People spend 20% more when they use them because it detaches the pain of paying from the pleasure of buying. 4. The sale trap. If you buy a $1,000 TV for $700, you didn't save $300. You spent $700. If you weren't looking for it before the tag, you lost. 5. The lottery. The lowest income brackets spend over $400 a year on tickets. It's a tax on people who don't understand probability. Bet on your skills, not a 1 in 292-million chance. 6. Lifestyle creep. Getting a raise shouldn't mean a new car. If your expenses rise with your income, you'll be just as broke at $400,000 as you were at $40,000. 7. Invisible subscription. Check your statement. That $14.99 gym or software you don't use is subscription bleeding. It's an easy $1,000 a year down the drain. 8. High interest debt. A $5,000 credit card balance at 24% costs you $1,200 a year just to exist. You're working 2 days a month for free for a bank CEO. 9. Value versus quality. The Sam Vims theory. A rich person buys $200 boots that last 10 years. A poor person buys $50 boots every year. After a decade, the poor person spent $500 and still has wet feet. Stop buying cheap stuff that breaks. 10. Not tracking net worth. Most people track their balance. The wealthy track their net worth. If you only look at your checking account, you're looking at a snapshot, not the whole story. 11. Emotional spending. Retail therapy. It is just a high-interest loan on your happiness. The dopamine lasts 30 minutes. The bill lasts 30 days. 12. The status car. The average car payment is over $700. A car is a tool, not a trophy. Real wealth is a 5-year-old Toyota and a $50,000 brokerage account. 13. Neglecting preventative costs. Skipping a $100 dental cleaning leads to a $3,000 root canal. Avoiding small costs always leads to unavoidable disasters. 14. Social mimicry. Keeping up with the Joneses is the fastest way to the poorhouse. Social media hides the credit card debt behind those Bali vacation photos. 15. The tomorrow mentality. Waiting 10 years to start investing from age 25 to 35 can cost you $800,000 in compound interest. Time is the only asset you can't earn back. So what do you do? 1. Use the 48-hour rule. Wait 2 days before any purchase over $50. 2. Audit subscriptions. Cancel anything you haven't used in 30 days. 3. Automate savings. If you wait until the end of the month to save what's left, the answer will always be 0. The system is designed to keep you spending. You have the choice to opt out. Stop trading your life energy for things that don't matter. Start buying your freedom instead. Drop a comment with one habit you're cutting this week. Take control of your math. And I'll see you in the next one.